had a cake.
Mabadali ka pa, ha? Baliktad ata.
Sa akin yung damit eh. That's mine.
Baliktad pa. Ayun yung bangkito, oh, ayun, oh, nandun. Oh,
Egg?
oh, egg. Ikaw magbasag niyan?
Egg? No, not yet.
Ayun, oh, get your, ano.
Get me, wait. Let me see first. Kailangan ng tubig. Diba kailangan ng tubig?
Oo,
Oh, we get a glass
One glass.
of water. Water?
the big one.
The long one?
Yeah. Okay.
Flour? Water? No, not yet. Just the water. And, oh! I gonna run away.
Oh, you sit down. May bangkito dyan.
Dito. What you want to do with the pepper?
Bigo.
And next the egg. Yeah, wait lang. No, tubig first before the egg. Next, put a little bit of water.
Itlog muna.
Hindi, tubig muna.
Oy, naku. Huwag kang basahan.
Okay.
Shopee itong yan, di orderan guys. Shopee yung basahan na hindi.
Ay, hindi. Iba. Sports.com.co.
Sa online.
It's a dough. Okay, add some more.
Add more water.
No, not just little by little. Because I'll do it. Oop, dadahan.
Basagin mo na to.
Wait lang. I-mix pa na. O nga. Kuha ka ng ano?
Water.
Hindi. Di ba may isa pang mixer?
Wala na. Yan na lang isa.
What are you going to read it? Read the instructions. I don't know. Why? You don't know how to
Dagdagan pa tubig, oh.
tubig away.
Lagay mo muna kasi yung itlog.
Wala na ba yan? Meron pa yan eh.
Ang alin?
Baso. Kailangan ano muna yung powder.
Sus, pareho lang yan para mahalo.
Ante. Can you get me a fork, Owing? Fork? Just here! Put it here! The water!
All together nga eh. Kasama na itlog eh. Hindi mo pa inano eh.
Okay.
Kaya tapon mo ito basura. Ano mo na yung itlog?
Just don't make the egg. Oh! Did I see that? I did so perfectly crack.
Mix all together. Ano ba yan? Hindi na nga nag-ikot-ikot yan eh.
Wait lang. I think you're gonna make it so fast. No, not fast. Because it will really, it will spill.
Kala ko ba masakit yan mo?
You have a tummy ache? We, nagkunwari para di pa kapasok. You just fake your tummy ache? Huh? Aka na.
Ayusin mo kasi mag-uubo pa yan.
Wait. Oh, wait.
Sa atin na lang para ano na.
Let me, okay? Let me do it. No. Please. Please. Wait.
Please.
Ano yan? Meron na doon. Nandun na. Huh? Really?
Meron pang buo-buo.
Let me do it.
Ganunin mo ng tinidor.
Look like no dough now. Get a spoon. So, ano?
Hindi, tinidor.
Another one?
No, tama na. Paano mo na halo mo lang kay ate lahat?
Ito. Ow! Yummy. It's not. Oh, stop. May margarine pa tayo, di ba?
Oil na kaya, oil yan.
Let me do it. Please. Please.
Hindi,
Please.
wala pang oil yan.
Ay, nag-fire.
Konti lang.
Just a little bit of oil. Hold this fork. Oh, and hold it. A little bit? Yeah. Okay, that's enough. Okay,
Para-
mix it all together. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Mixy, mixy. You don't know how to mix, Owen. Oh, hindi ganyan.
Mix mo na lang, huwag na ganyan. Sa gilid, pati gilid. Nahilo na yan.
Okay na.
Okay na.